Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech K. I'm happy to see you here. If you want to know more about Jira related stuff, please do like and subscribe my channel to get more info on Jira as an admin, how we are going to create a custom field. This is today's hot topic which we are going to discuss. So let's dive in. So this is a project which we created from the previous video, like project B, and now we are going to add some custom fields in it, more of a layout. We will try to check how our ticket going to appear in the Kanban board. This is how it usually appears as the previously test ticket that we tried to open. So let's dive in and we will just walk around and play around more on the field perspective. So let's go to the three dots here, again to the space settings, and if you go to the fields, you will find this below this work item. So this is actually the default field configuration scheme which open up here. So now we are going to edit this because we are working around the default field configuration which is shared to the two projects. It shows all the basic details like tasks, subtasks, which we are going to affect, what all the existing tickets are there, how many screen these tickets, these custom fields are attached to. So now we are going to click on this small edit button because this will allow us to go and play around with the fields. Now coming to this field section, first we have to create a new field. Let's click on it. So this is a new version of Jira which is giving us this kind of an appearance. So just cope up with the changes because like we are making some big changes to Jira from the Atlassian. So let's select the field type, which is let's go for checkbox. Let's keep the field name as change reason. Because it's a checkbox, this will give you the option which we can keep as A, B, C, and A. Likewise, you can add and you can also drag and just make the way you want it. Create. Now our field is created. This is just created and it's not linked to any screen, any project. It's just there in the list of fields. What we have to do, we have to now attach this custom field to one of our screen of the project, right? Let's go to the screen. Yeah. Let's go to the project B because project B is the project where we are going to go. So this is a create issue screen which we are going to target because we want our custom field to be displayed while ticket is being created. So let's click on it. As we go down, we see the existing custom field which we have. You can either remove it or we can just drag and place it the way we want it. So the field which we just created was the change reason, right? So now we want to have it here or someplace like below the priority, right? We want to remove this team, time tracker, budget, anything. These are actually the default custom field. Whatever you are doing that is directly impacting your project in a live manner. So please be careful while doing it because whatever changes you are making, they are going way live to it. Now let's go to the layout because even if we are adding our custom field to the screen, that doesn't define that our custom field is going to be visible on the screen. Like if we want to go and check it out, that do we have the change reason here? No, we don't, right? Because we have to now add our custom field to the layout. Let's again go to the three dots, click on the space settings. In the work item, you will find the layout. This layout will actually help you defining how our work item is going to be visible. The fields which are appearing on the right side are basically the context field. As you can see, description field or the default field which you cannot remove from Jira. These are the fields which you can just drag and like it's very user friendly in the way that you can just, as per your requirement, keep these fields aligned. And you can hide when empty field, like if you think that this is not necessary, we only want it to display if it has some details in it, otherwise not, then keep it in the hide when empty bar. Let's go to the search all field section. Now let's search our field, that is change reason. Okay, let's see where it goes. It shows in the description field, but we don't want it. We want it in the right side of it, right? So let's keep it in the context field bar. Let's keep it above the grade and click on the save changes. Great. So now if we go back to our test work item, we can see that our change reason is there. Now obviously we can select multiple option here because checkbox allow us to select the multiple option and go with it. I hope you learned how to work around on creating a new custom field and how to have that field on the screen and then on the layout, which ultimately going to represent in a fashion like how this our field is going to appear on the work item, which is very critical because its placement is also plays a very crucial role. I hope you learn a lot about